Arrive in style with this 2015 Ford Fusion SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, front-wheel drive, heated front seats, seat heated driver, leather seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rear backup camera and sync system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.